here in Petaluma. We're in the backyard of a green architect's house, George Bueller in Petaluma. And it's actually the site of where I did a workshop, a natural building workshop a couple months ago with Daily Axe, where he built this mushroom pizza oven back here. And so we are using this, his bamboo here to build our dome in Fairfax. So this is our source of our bamboo. So you know, this is a green bamboo. George cut some of this a couple months ago, so you know, so it's been dried. So we have this nice, you know, kind of dry bamboo, and this is great because this bends really nicely, right? So it doesn't snap. So we're going to go ahead and load this bamboo up onto the truck and then drive it down to Fairfax. So this is where it begins. All right.
On the outside to start with. Did you drop one of them? And holes to set it in. Go ahead and set that in one of the holes. You'll be the first person.
I'll try. I'll do it.
Stay with your pole. Don't abandon your post. Everybody back to your post. Everybody hang on to the pole until we're done with it.
What is your problem today, Mr. Well, I wanted to go visit Sirius. Somebody told me I'm from Sirius. So we won't be very serious about it, but we will take them home wherever they want to go. Kelly, this is how it is. Just like it, you know, we'll be on a lambskin, and pretty soon the person. You know, I was on the radio show yesterday.
You were?
Yeah, and we're going to be on August 31st, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and everybody in the Bay Area listens, and they're going to hear about the Living Earth Dome and how this is going to change the world and how we have wellness centers in the future and not regular traditional medicine. Hey, he's smiling! Anyway, so it's just going to be on the outside, so we're not going to lose any more here?
The top will be just
because the more room I can have, the better.
This is going to be close to the shape right here. So bring your shoulder over to here. That'll be closer to the inner shape.
The more room you can give me, the better. Because I have the chimes, you know, we have chimes hanging.
Looking good, Sasha.
Twist into something like a dome.
Over here, and then also on the inside too. So on the inside, to make it a good sound chamber, we need to smooth out the insides. So all the bamboo inside will be covered up.
The acoustics
the acoustics will be really, really nice in here.
It's going to be dark.
I like how straightforward that is, you know.
So
And
sunlight
you can see
and rainbows.
This is up here. It's a very sturdy frame, so really, this is completely strong.
Yeah, you have structural dynamics, sir. I'm a structural engineer.
So this here, because it's a dome, it's very strong.
Yeah, exactly. The weight bearing is all.
So if people shoot out of their bodies, they just go right there like you before they go back to their
weight
home
dispersion. A really fine job.
So we're letting this then set up. It's actually already starting to get hard, which is very nice. So then once this is all set up, then we'll put in the, put the cob on the outside. And if you come inside, so you can already experience some of the acoustical effects in here. The acoustics are good. There is definitely some nice sound. So it'll be even better once we smooth this all out. And once we get this all capped off, so the skylight will be going in here. And the earth, we put a clay slip on first. take our cob. So this is sand and clay and straw that Jason's chopping up over here. Then we're going to put this on about an inch thick. So this will be our first coat. And we'll be putting another coat thicker on the outside of this, and also building out the inside too. Going up higher.
Yes, it is.
Galactic rocket ship.
Going to the heavens.
Yeah. Hey, let's can you? So we're covering up all this wire and bamboo here with the cob. So it's going on pretty thin. We just did this morning. We had some of the folks from Lydia's Kitchen up the road up here helping out. It was really great. So we're pretty much just doing kind of a thick cob plaster is the idea for starters. So this is kind of the process, is you get a clay slip, put this on the wall. So there's some nice, aviary wire to stick to.
Anchoring Christ consciousness to earth through the heart. This is from Saint Marie de la Mer in honor of Saint Sarah, the Black Madonna, the Gypsy, who is Mary Magdalene's daughter. And I'd like this to be in a prominent place to hold it. Remember who you are. This is from Rennes-le-Château, the home of the New Jerusalem. We have Mount Shasta here.
Doorway now. We got this nice cob, nice fresh cob doorway. So I'm putting some stones in the doorway. The inside the cryptic chalice, they had nice stones. So we put these around the dome. So we pretty much finished smoothing this all out, kind of getting into this place where now we can just let it dry. And probably in about 5 days it'll be all dry, so we can plaster it. So we made these little nooks in here, so these will be for like little candles and things. And we cut these little spaces out here for the windows. Alright, so the windows will be cut opening in like this.
This is an exquisitely beautiful dream, not only dream lodge, but sound healing lodge that is in the process of being built right now. As you can see, there are all these beautiful gems and an incredible symbol right here, the flowing sun. And if you go inside...
Coat of plaster. Plaster's made of lime and sand. I think there's a little bit of linseed oil and a little bit of mineral spirits, which will help to keep the rain, seal it up. We'll be adding another layer. It'll be a little bit smoother. Add pigment to that, and start doing pigment on the door frames and the windows to make those pop out.
plastering the inside of the dome right now. This is some gold mica. So we're putting this on the walls. So this mix right here is a lime wash with a little bit of the gold mica and some of the iron oxide pigment. It's leaving little red streaks because of the iron oxides in there. I put just a little bit of sugar into the mix also to help the pigment to kind of bond to the lime. It's a little trick I learned from a guy in Guatemala. So this here, I plastered this yesterday. I plastered this yesterday with a just a lime and sand and clay plaster, and so now we're ready to, you know, kind of smooth it out. Been drying out for a few days, so we're definitely ready to seal it now. We're going to seal it with a linseed oil. We're going to do about 4 coats of sealer. The first coat will be pure linseed oil with some iron oxide pigment, and then the second coat I'll add a little bit of mineral spirits to help the linseed oil to penetrate into the plaster, and then the third coat I'll add even more mineral spirits, and I'll add some diatomaceous earth also to help shed the water. So this here is the process of sealing a dome. So I'm just going to paint it on there.
All the energy of the oh, windows! Oh my God, how cute! Got Mount Sinai, St. Rita de la Mer, anchoring the Christ consciousness, the earth through the heart, Israel, standing is your tall own sovereign being here.